to talk about hip mobility and flexibility and strengthening because it is very important. Hip and lower back and your hamstrings and आगे वाले muscle जो होते हैं which you are using for almost all martial art kicks and all, right. So this part is very important. So let us see what all we can do for this. First part of this video will be like a stretching warm up kind of thing, and I will introduce some exercises that I usually do before I have to kick, right? So उससे क्या होता है, mainly I try to stretch and warm up for the क्या बोलते हैं इसको, hip flexors and the lower back, and maybe some stretching. Just see what is the stretching exercise, and then we will go move on to some strengthening exercises. So these are the few exercises which I use for stretching. And now let us move on to some exercise that will strengthen and stretch your hip joint and the muscles around it. देखते हैं. Now we are going to lie back like this, and we will try to keep our foot as close as possible to our hips here like this. And from here just keep your hands over here for support. यहाँ से ऐसा ऊपर, this is called as a bridge position. And this is not full bridge, वो हाथ से जो करते हैं that is different. That one is also actually a good exercise. So from here, this and down. Or if you want some more challenge, just lift up your leg, and from here, from the bridge, 1 and 2. Now let us look at some strengthening exercise which is good for your stability and also your hip mobility. थोड़ा सा एक तरीके से आपको अपने हिप को और अपने पैर वगैरह को एक पोजीशन में रखना आना चाहिए और उधर से मूव करना भी आना चाहिए. That is very important. We are working on our hip flexors like this muscle ये यहाँ पे जो होता है जिसकी वजह से आप अपना पैर ऊपर उठाते हैं. That is very important for martial art, for kicking anything, any kind of kick, whatever we do. मिस हो गया था, मैं एम किया था. Anyway, so for all that you need this muscle. So let us work on that. Just stand straight, nothing to do. Stand straight like this, and 1, 2, silly, very simple, silly. But I'm saying when you raise like this, there is a limitation according to your flexibility. जितना आपका ये सब चलता है उसके हिसाब से आप एक लेवल पे आके रुक जाएंगे. इसके बाद क्या करना है, वहां से थोड़ा और ब्रीथ आउट करके एक एक्स्ट्रा इंच और जाना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम नॉट अ वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल पर्सन, सो आई कैन डू हियर. फ्रॉम देयर आई नीड टू ब्रीथ आउट एंड डू अ लिटिल एक्स्ट्रा. यहां से राइट. Yes. So when you do this, like this, you will feel that extra tension or contraction in those muscles. That is what we need. A similar exercise for the mobility of your hip. ये पैर के अंदर का joint होता है, right? It does not all depend on your flexibility of your leg. पैर आपका एकदम कितना flexible है? Can you do a full split or not? That is not important. Sometimes even the flexibility and mobility of your joint over here in the थोड़ा बहुत northern region that is important. So from here I want you to just make circles outside and try to keep balance also. This is not a kick, it is like more like, imagine this is like a block. Okay, it is not possible to block something like that. Imagine like an attack is coming and you are blocking like this. Just imagine. Okay, this is not real. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Right. Now other side. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9 10. Inside भी कर सकते हैं. अभी outside किया था. Now we can do this inside also. 1 2 3 4. करते रहिए. मैं थक गया हूँ. You can use any stool or table या फिर किसी की छाती पे कर सकते हैं. मतलब कुछ भी होना चाहिए यहाँ पे, right? Now this is for the opening of your hip, like for that hip mobility. There is one exercise. Before this, we can do this also. Heel to your opposite over here, and now try to keep your back straight and stretch this down. 1 2. This way you can actually open this up, right? That is important. 1, right? दूसरे साइड से भी कर सकते हैं. Hold on to it like this and go. Yes. यही चीज थोड़ा easily कर सकते हैं. Now for something like this, you can just put your foot नहीं, ये पूरा ऐसा shin part over there like this. Take the help of some support and now try to be straight. Okay, ये ऐसा है. Now try to be straight, back straight. And maybe you can go back a little bit more like this. Stretch down. 1 2 1 2. Feel that you are stretching this part and also the joint, right? उसको feel करके करिए दोनों side में. Same thing other side. Back is straight. Try to stretch back a little. Maybe you can go back a little like this and stretch some more. Okay, balancing. 1. Right? Feel करके भला हो तुम्हारी exercise. The next one, this is a stretching exercise. I didn't give this in stretching section because this is little important and a little difficult to understand. Right वाला जाएगा नीचे और ये वाला पैर. See, anyone we can start. We are starting with left. Okay, so left one, this foot goes in this area like this, and after that I am like from here under the knee. ऊपर से नहीं, under the knee I will ये ऐसा हाथ एक साथ ऐसा बांध देंगे. Now I'll try to do this. Okay, ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा. So whenever I do this, I'm stretching all that over there and I'm also trying to keep my back straight. Just give it a try. It's not easy. Yes, this side. 1 2. Whenever I do this, वहाँ पे stretch हो रहा है, this area. That is also important. ये दोनों साइड में करेंगे. Yes. Now for the next one, of course, the butterfly stretch. दोनों पैर को जितना पास हो सके, मेरे से इतना ही हो सकता है. बाकी आपको करना तो आप कर लो. Try butterfly stretch. Everybody knows this. क्या हुआ? आप गए नहीं, खत्म हो गया, ये मैं अपने लिए कर रहा हूँ। इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन। कराटे टीवी ऑनलाइन क्लास, लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन। कलरी धोती ये जो मैं पहनी है, इसको अगर आपको पसंद, मतलब इफ यू लाइक व्हाट आई एम वेयरिंग, लिंक इज इन डिस्क्रिप्शन। विजिट आवर वेबसाइट karatetv.in एंड छोटा वाला चैनल है कराटे टीवी वाले भैया, उसको भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। बाकी फॉलो मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम। बस।